Hi viewers, today we will talk about illegal sales of the property. Why a sale will be called illegal? There are a number of reasons. Let us understand all these reasons. One, without layout permissions. At times, these ventures which are selling lands or there are some properties which are sold will not have permissions from the competent authority. Like for open lands, it is HMDA, DTCP. For houses and flats, it's GHMC or municipality. So without permission, if they sell the property, it's a illegal sale. And for that, the buyer has to pay penalty. He has to go for regularization of the property, or that is in short, it's called LRS for open plots and lands, and BRS for constructed properties like flats, houses. Further, there are other issues which will lead to illegal sale. For example, when the owner of the property is not having title, that is, through forged documents, they sell the properties. They don't have title and they sell the property showing the open land or a house. In fact, they have created a forged documents and then they sell the property. And this will only lead to multiple litigations. Further, there are owner of the properties who sell the property but they don't have possession. So they are not in control of the property. They don't know who has taken the possession of the property. Or some XYZ person has taken the possession and the owner of the property is selling the property without any possession, only is transferring the title. This is a illegal sale. Further, the owner of the property is not taking care of the property and he doesn't know where the property is located. And he will show you a wrong property somewhere else and he will sell the property. Because he is not able to identify, because the property is bought sometime back or few years back, say 10 or 15 years back, they don't know the location. They have the documents, they show XYZ land and they sell the property. All these kinds of sale is illegal sale. And in these cases, buyer has to take sufficient precautions before buying a property. He has to make sure that he is getting survey of the particular property and he identifies with the help of local people whether the property survey number, plot number or flat number is correct or not. He should do sufficient steps, take sufficient steps to make sure that the property owner is correct or not, his title is correct or not. Otherwise, the buyer will be at a losing end. He will lose his money and property. And in case if he buys the property, then what the buyer has to do? In case if he buys the property through an illegal sale, he has to file a complaint against the seller. He has to file a case for recovery of money from the seller. And in case if he thinks he has a right over the title and possession, and there is some other reason because he is not able to take the possession, then he has to file a suit for declaration of title and possession.